Hi guys, it's Cutie Coupons, and I wanted to do a quick Brickseek tutorial because a lot of you are unsure of what I mean when I say search Brickseek and find like a local Walmart or whatever in your area. Not sure why my Chrome is not opening. Okay, let's just do Safari. Okay, so I'm gonna go over that with you guys here. Okay, so let's go to brickseek.com. So Brickseek is not a mobile app. It is an actual website that you can view on your mobile device or on your desktop, okay? I was trying to move this down. Oh, I can move this. Okay, so let's just move that there. So brickseek.com. Now Brickseek is a tool that you can, it's like literally you can check any store's inventory, not any store. I want to say Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, and things like that. Okay, so you can see here all the stores that they have here. So Macy's, CVS, BJ's, Home Depot, things like that, right? These are the stores that you can check the inventory. So, you know, when you go in the store, stuff can be marked down, but you can't see that it's marked down. So that's why you would use Brickseek to kind of find those items because it kind of gives you like a low-key insider to the store, okay? So for instance, if I tell you, if you see someone post like, oh, search Brickseek in your area for your Walmart, here's the SKU number. You will go to inventory checkers. Now on your mobile device, you won't see the menu laid out like this. You'll see 3 lines up here at the top, and then you will go ahead and click that, and then that will give you this drop down menu here. Now you don't need a membership with Brickseek. You can do this like free of charge, and you can find what you're looking for free of charge. You don't necessarily need to pay for it. The free version kind of provides you with all the stuff that you need. Okay, so you want to go to inventory checkers. Now, let's say I post this DPCI and I'm like, okay, check Target. And I'm using Target instead of Walmart because I don't have a SKU number in front of me. But let me just show you an example. So you would click on inventory checkers and you can enter the DPCI or the UPC. When it's Walmart, it's going to be the SKU or the UPC. Okay. So I have some big razors right here. The DPCI is 04906. 0693. Okay, and then you're going to type in the zip code in your area. So let's say your zip code is 90047, and then you're going to click on check inventory. Okay, once you click on check inventory, you can scroll down and you can see all the locations in your area that you put the zip code, and it will let you know if it's in stock, how much it is. Okay, now for example, if I tell you, okay, here are some Huggies, check the Walmart in your area, you would do the same steps. You would just click on Walmart. I'm sorry, you won't do the same steps. I take that back, I'm sorry. So if I tell you check Brickseek in your area, not even provide you with the SKU number, you can just come here in the search bar and you can actually just type in, for instance, Huggies, right? So you would just type that in, and then you would, let's just use this for example, because it's the first one. Okay, so let's say I posted this and I'm like, you know what, see if it's marked down in your area. So you would click on check inventory, you will put your zip code here, you would click show offers. Okay. Now, once you do that, you see here the locations popped up where this was at. Okay, so right here popped up Torrance in Torrance, California. These wipes are only $1 and they have more than 6 in stock. Not only that, these are normally priced at $5.99. So this will be definitely a run deal that I just gave you for free if you watch this today, because if you're in that area, this Walmart has these for $1, like 83% off. That would be like definitely a deal that you should run and go out and get, because Walmart's telling you off of Brickseek, Brickseek's telling you that these are $1 there. So that's how you would check that. So you can pretty much, if you want to buy TVs, anything, a bed, whatever, I would just advise you before you go shopping to come to Brickseek, put it in the search bar and search what you're looking for and find it in your area first. If you can't find it, then okay, we know we couldn't find anything. But for the most part, you can find really good deals on Brickseek. And then if you go here to like deals, it shows you like trending deals. You can search like by store, you can search by the category, the brand. I mean, it's just so in depth, and it's a really good thing. And then yesterday I saw this and I was gonna post it because that's like a bomb deal, but they were all out of stock. So let's see. If you click on buy now, it takes you straight to the merchant's website. Oh my God, it's back in stock. I'm about to post this. Gotta go. Oh my goodness. Yesterday, it wasn't in stock. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm about to post this. So I hope that helped you guys. If you have any questions. Oh my God, it went away. Look, now it says sold out. Told you. Oh, that sucks. Whatever. Okay, I'm not gonna post it then, obviously. Let's see. Let's see what happens when we refresh the page. Let's see if it lets me add it to cart. Nope, sold out. See, yesterday it was sold out. I don't know why I say add to cart, but this is a good deal. You see how that fund just found this on Brickseek? This was $1,000. It's only $296. LG. LG is like a really good brand. You know, look at this LG right here. It's $529. You can't even get that one that cheap. This is a good deal. So that's it, and that's all. If you have any questions, just reach out to me, and that is it. And you can also comment too. So that's it. And you guys have a good one.